Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and I usually don't do unboxing videos, but I'll make an exception this time. And it's not really an unboxing video, it's more of showing you what comes in the package. And this is from GOOZEEZOO, and it's a do-it-yourself radio kit, which covers FM, AM, medium wave, short wave, airband, upper and lower sideband. It's unbelievable all the things this radio, and really it caught my eye. And you will see when I get it together and I show you the display. So I wrote to the people at GOOZEEZOO and asked if they would send me one, and boom, they sent me one. And they allow me to share my opinions, which are my opinions. I have no directions of what to say or anything. There are two versions of this kit. One version is $80 and it comes with everything except the amplifier, this amplifier kit. And to get that included is $113. So let me show you the parts. I will then assemble the parts, not on camera, and then demonstrate its use. All right, here we go. Let me get my computer set over here so I can see what I'm showing you. And it comes with a link to the assembly instructions and the usage, how do you use it instructions. Okay, first thing we got in this little, whoops, let me get it on the camera, that would help, bag. This is the little high impedance amplifier. All right, put that down. Comes with, whoops, a telescopic antenna, which is about 30 inches, maybe more. It comes with two loop antennas. One is for shortwave and one for AM or medium wave. This is the little manual that it comes with for how to use it. Everything you need to know how to use it. Like I say, the link that they give you is for detailed instructions for assembling it, which you don't really need. Then you got this little plastic box of parts. Here we have the display, which is upside down. There's the display. Put that aside. Here is the circuit board. There is no soldering required. It's only assembly of parts. Put this down. Here is the speaker. There's the little speaker. Plugs in. You don't have to solder it in. These are the pieces for the radio case. And they have this brown plastic on them to protect the plastic. They're clear plastic, clear plastic. And there's another piece there. And then there's a whole bag of parts. This is the assembly, is to take these parts and put all the pieces together. Just a mechanical assembly. I don't think you even need, I'm looking in here to see, I don't think you even need a screwdriver. Maybe you do. I don't think so. Now, it's not supplied with a battery. It uses a, let me just make sure I check. And I have to put some glasses on, otherwise I can't see. Okay. It uses a, no, it's not on the front here. pretty sure. I just want to verify. I don't want to mislead you. I think it's an 18650 rechargeable battery. Oh, hmm. Why doesn't it tell me? Oh, cool. Well, I'm pretty sure. If it's not, I'll put a correction down in the comments below this. But it doesn't come with that, so you have to supply that yourself. It's FM from 64 megahertz to 108, AM from 520 kilohertz to 1710 kilohertz, shortwave from 3.5 megahertz to 30 megahertz, which includes single sideband, and the airband from 118 megahertz to 137 megahertz. I don't know if you can see it very good, but there's what the screen will look like. That's what caught my eye, all the information that is displayed on the screen. So I'm looking forward to putting this together. I'm guessing the assembly time will be maybe 15-20 minutes. Very easy to assemble. The instructions they have now for assembly make it foolproof. Anybody could do it now. That's about it. I want to thank them for sending me this, and I'm looking forward to assembling it and testing it. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, that would really be nice. And have a great day. Bye-bye.